Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. We woke up this morning. This is an Airbnb that we've rented, but our Airbnb host brings us breakfast in the morning if we order it. It's about €5 per person, and it consists of a lot of really yummy things, which is great because we've gotten a really authentic Italian experience because his mother makes the marmalade and it's like cherry and orange. They also bring fresh Italian meats for the people that are on our trip that actually eat meat. Fresh pressed red oranges, gluten-free bread, which is incredible that they even have those options. So we had a really nice breakfast this morning here in the house, and I am drinking my little coffee, my little caffè cubano italiano, because my mom made it. This morning I just wanted to show you guys the home because it's absolutely incredible. And today we're headed to Florence, but before we go, we're going to go down into the town of Positano and probably grab a bite to eat. My mom wanted to buy a necklace or a souvenir. Junior and I wanted to buy maybe a bottle of limoncello and keep it and maybe open it on our honeymoon because this is where we got engaged. This is going to be a very significant spot for me for the rest of my life, so I just wanted to share with you guys how incredibly beautiful it is. Coming right up, my 1-minute tour of the house. Kitchen, bedroom 1. Of course, it's got a killer balcony. There's Junior and my dad now. Bedroom 2.
More people coming.
Say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
Renato Esposito, who is our Airbnb host, him and his family own this place, and it sounds like they own half the town because from, you know, hooking up with taxi and parking and food, I mean, they do it all. This is one of the bathrooms. Hello. This is the other bathroom. Just a toilet, no shower. And of course, the most romantic, eccentric, scenic, and beautiful spot in the home to see the surroundings. Check this out. Hola, buenos dias. Morning. Junior wanted to fly his drone through that. Our killer view. Can you guys see the lemons? There's lemons over there. And this was our little dining table. As you guys can see, this place is pretty fairy tale-esque. There are lemons draped over there. As you come into the home, the entrance has grapes draped everywhere, just natural grapes growing. He's got tomatoes, tangerines, eggplants. They have squash. I mean, like the huge gourd squashes. All right, so without further ado, amazing phone footage. Without further ado, amazing drone footage coming right up. So we stopped off the side of the road leaving Positano to olive to get good Wi-Fi to get our train tickets. We stopped in this little restaurant and we ended up stopping to eat here, and the food is incredible and it's all from their garden. I want to introduce our waiter to you guys because he was really awesome. ¿Y qué tienen de postre? Lo quería poner en mi vlog. ¿Qué hay? ¿De postre? Dessert? Dolce?
Yeah, lo che quiere. Podemos hacer una panna cotta o una torta al cioccolato e ricotta. Possiamo fare una crostata.
Ok, va bien.
Di plum cake con la cioccolata, le gocce di cioccolata.
They have so many really yummy desserts and they're all homemade. And like I said, our food was fresh from their garden.
Un poquito di dulce.
Tienen panna cotta, pero yo quiero como una natilla.
No, yo no quiero.
Okay, so our awesome waiter is taking me to the kitchen.
L'odore che sta qui.
Grazie. Buongiorno. ¿Qué es esto? Oh, está haciendo otra comida.
La pasta e fagioli.
Pasta fagioli.
La pasta e fagioli è un piatto tipissimo, molto tipico di Napoli.
Ok, muy bien. ¿Y qué música?
La cocina felice.
Cocina feliz, me encanta. She said happy kitchen because I commented on the music and she's like, we have a happy kitchen,
Estamos
una
listos
cocina
para cocinar
felice.
por el desarmo.
Ay, grazie.
Thank you. Gracias.
Dolce.
Oh, il dolce. Grazie. Grazie.
Ay, grazie.
He brought us to the kitchen because he said we had to smell it because it smelled amazing. And it was olives with meat, sausage in a white sauce, and he said it's a traditional dish of Naples, of Napoli. Okay, we are now officially on the way to Naples. I love taking trains. I feel like Anastasia. Have you guys ever seen the movie Anastasia? I think all the scary stuff goes down on trains, but anyway. Let's go to Florence. Reporting live from Florence, Italy, where I found the pigeon whisperer at the peak and prime of his career, feeding all the pigeons in Firenze. Seriously, he just started by feeding like one pigeon. Like it's my chia and chocolate vegan bar that I want to eat. Hello, give me,
Just
don't
take
be.
your last
It
bite.
started with like one of them, and now it's all of them. Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh, don't get that close to my fiance, pigeon. Pigeon, we're gonna have a problem.
Pigeon neck.
Baby, I have to take that out.
Just take off.
Stop! No, I want the back end. The end you haven't been touching with your finger. Everybody eats. Someone come get some. These are some high-class birds eating some chia.